but a policeman a drive it, so they no trouble it.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall, skilla. Hey, wagwan, me there, you know? Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, I'm going to present a certain amount of videos to you in this video, and I'm going to start talk about a video that caught my attention because of some words that a person said in the video. So, my people, I want you to listen to some words that a person said in a video that I'm about to present to you, and you can leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let me know if you believe or if you do not believe what the person was saying or what the person was talking about. Now, don't get me wrong, in the viewers, subscribers, it's just that I'm only going by word me the person video. I am not able to confirm if what the person was saying is true or false. But if so be the case, then it's all away. But anyways, leave a comment or comments. Let me know if you believe or if you don't believe what the person was saying in this video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Just one video.
Mr. This a woman in a car. License plate. License this up, what, 2 months ago? Yeah. And so they send record for it. And this one up from 2023. But a policeman a drive it, so they no trouble it. Side and side, the two car them there.
So them turn up over there, so
they take up one way up to up 2 months. 2 months, and this one up 2 years. 2 years, but a police a drive it, so they no trouble it. And the woman own up 2 months, and they might take up it with the record.
My people, do you believe the words that the person said in the video? Leave a comment or comments to let me know if you believe or if you don't believe. I would like you to look at this picture. In my point of view, the picture shows someone inside of a place that has the letters ATM and outside. You know, I think it looks sad. So do you think I am wrong or if I'm right when I say that I think it looks sad? It really looks sad. Another topic, young people. Now I'm going to give you my opinion about a situation that I saw in a video that I'm about to present to you. And I would like you to tell me if you think I am right or if you think I am wrong when it comes on to my opinion towards the situation what we see in the video that I'm about to present to you. So, now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person was saying certain words, and I got the understanding from the video that the person was holding an object. Based on how the person was behaving, it makes me assume that the person was angry. Now, according to what I'm seeing in the video, and this is my opinion, if someone who's holding an object was behaving certain ways, and you're inside of a motor vehicle, then I think that the person should stay inside of the motor vehicle and avoid going anywhere near that person and do not walk in the direction of that person. Take a look at the video for yourself. I don't know where the video is recorded. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe it. So the video right there, somebody. Look at the movement that the camera has. This one the person I'm watching. Leave a comment or comments, let me know what you think. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when at least 2 persons went at a premises and removed something from the premises. We also see a motor vehicle on the outside, and based on certain things on me and see a go on, I think that motor vehicle was being operated by someone. Now, what I think those persons removed in the video subscribers is that I'm thinking, because the video basically shows when those persons somewhat work together to remove something that is at an area where a gate is at. See what I say? And I think I have an idea what that thing might be, but because of the quality of the video, I don't want to jump to the conclusion and so forth. But if that is what I think it is, then I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. Because those persons whom, in my point of view, opened a gate, went at a premises and removed something from the premises, it can be considered as stealing based on what we see. I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video was recorded. The situation look away. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me, people. Observe. So here's the video, people. See a motor vehicle. That's all. So I didn't see certain things, so I'm not really say certain things. But you know, some piece of the motor vehicle, then we see those two persons. But we're at an area I get there. Look at some. Look at what one of those persons was doing. One was somewhat pulling and the other was doing some like a hitting thing, like, you see? No, for real, little people, you see, I have an idea what that thing might be, you know. See? But because of the quality of the video and so forth, I don't want to jump to the conclusion. Is what I say, but it look away. It really and truly look away. Some people, basically, the video shows some things that happened when two persons went to the premises and removed something from the premises. So I saw a very dramatic situation in a video, viewing subscribers. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when police chased a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone, and at least one person had been apprehended by police. Now, I am not sure what might have caused the situation. I'm not sure. But I do got the understanding from the video that someone who was operating a motor vehicle was, in my point of view, driving a damaged motor vehicle in a certain type of way. I assume that the person was trying to get away. But at some point, that motor vehicle hit at least one thing. And it stopped. And the law enforcers went closer to the motor vehicle. You can also hear explosions in the video, viewing subscribers. The video shows some things that happened when at least one law enforcer opened fire from a gun in the direction of the motor vehicle. Glass at least one or two parts of the motor vehicle had been kicked. At least one of them break, viewing subscribers, and then at least one person had been held by police. And I'm not sure how many persons might have been inside of the motor vehicle, but the situation really and truly look away. Anyways, let me present the video to you. I don't have any confirmed information to determine exactly where the video be recorded. Yes, I somewhat have an idea based on the type of police vehicle we see and so forth, but I don't have any confirmed information to determine exactly where the video be recorded. But this really and truly look away. And it is believed that the person was trying to get away from police, but somehow police held the person. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. It was dramatic in my point of view. It was dramatic. The people, so much things are going all over the world, you know, so many things. Hey, big up to all of my loyal viewers and subscribers, you know. Yeah, big up Sandra, Sir Michael. Big up yourself, you know, big guys. You know what I say? DeAndre, man, as I respect my dad. Big up to all of you, my loyal viewers and subscribers. And so I say, big up to each and every one. Here's where I'm going to leave it, though, you see? And leave a comment or comments if you know what to think about those videos that I talk about. Look at the situation there, the situation and look away. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up. Hey man, you know where I watch. Dancehall.